Philippine Army 2016 Parade of Military of Vehicle. U.S. President Barack Obama gives remark on board the Philippine ship during his recent visit there in November 2015. Here is Christina Camilon to report about the Parade of Military Vehicle. Christina?
That's right, Vanessa. Philippine Army 2016 Parade of Military Vehicle. This month, the Philippines is receiving 140 armored vehicles from its ally, the United States, as the Southeast Asian state seeks to modernize its military. According to the Philippine Star, AFP spokesperson Colonel Restituto Padilla said that the news being seized would expedite battle, still movement, fast-track accuracy in operation, and help ensure the survivability of troops in the field, especially in build-up areas. This is Christina Camilon reporting.
News in Syria that many people will die and even children in Syria will suffer because of this war. There are thousands of children will suffer and many children will die. Let's watch this video.
If you can see many children, many Syrian children who has need help. So please pray for them. Since the beginning of the conflict, Syrian children have been the forgotten victims of the horrific war. Today, over 5 million are in need of assistance, including over 1 million Syrian children who have sought refuge in neighboring countries. These children are at risk of becoming a lost generation and cannot be ignored. We must save Syrian children. So help them and pray for them. God bless all. Thank you, Ms. Camilon, reporting. I am May Coruno, reporting in WWN Worldwide News.
Gusto kayo!
Ito, yung mga araw na puno ng kulitan, asaran, iyakan, at tampuhan. Mga minutong puno ng saya na hinding-hindi namin makakalimutan. At dito kami nagkakilala. Orange ang nagbigay sa amin ng saya upang ramayan ng bawat isa. Kung kami ay papapiliin, kung anong oras kami ay babalik, gusto namin sa panahon ito kami bumalik. Tunay niyang iba pa rin ang sayang dulot ng pagkakaibigan, na darating ang malakas na unos, pero ang aming pagkakaibigan, mananatiling buo at matibay ang samahan. Samahan na kami ang nagbuo.
Fresh orange wine. It's good for yours.
Go.
Hello everyone, I am MJ, your host for today's entertainment news. Okay guys, here's the news. After they announced their divorce, many of us got shocked, and of course I am one of them. And do you know guys who's this lovely couple? Well, we all know that it's Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt. According to the rumors and according to some source, there is a third party involved, and they said that Brad Pitt abusing their oldest son Maddox, but until now we don't know the reasons to their breakup. Well, as we remember that Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie first met with their first movie, and that movie is Mr. and Mrs. Smith. During the time, Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston are still married when Brad Pitt fell in love with Angelina Jolie. So the reasons of the breakup of Jennifer Aniston and Brad Pitt is Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie is the third party during it. Well, as we can see, the marriage of Jennifer Aniston and Brad Pitt is one of the successful marriage during the time, and the relationship was lasted.
3, go.
Okay, Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie have 6 children, 6 adopted children. Six children, 3 adopted children, and 3 biological children. Well, until now, we have an interview to Angelina Jolie when we saw her, and some of the questions in our mind she answered, but some of the questions she is still silent. So let's watch this video. Angelina, can I ask you a question, please? What? Is it true that Brad Pitt and your ex-wife?
Yes.
What was the reason?
No comment. That's the private life.
Oh my God! And how's your children?
They're okay.
Is it true that Brad Pitt abused your sister? According to the source, there is a family with you and Brad Pitt. Are you still the director in that movie?
No. The project is canceled.
Well, how's the movie? How's going on? Is it final?
I don't know.
There's a third party involved in your divorce?
No, I don't know.
Angelina, according to the source, Brad Pitt, he said that he isn't abusing your oldest son. Is it true?
Brad Pitt, say the
Barangay Ginebra Kings defeated San Miguel Bearmen 97-96 to a take of 2-1 lead in their best of 5 series in the FIBA Governors Cup 2016 semi-finals on Friday night at the Smart Arareta Coliseum. Chapitz Aguilar game-winning buzzer beat her in Game 3.